Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, I'm unboxing this puppy right here. These are the Monsters Persona 4th generation ANC Bluetooth headphones. These right now, the black ones are going to cost you $59.99, and if you get the white ones, they're $53.99. All right, guys. Now I got these because I've never had a pair of Monsters headsets, and these Monsters are the original makers of the Beats headphones. I mean, Dre came up with the idea, but Monsters are the ones that kind of put them together, manufactured them, and put them out. And back in the day, they had a lot of issues with some of them falling apart. From what I understand, But we're gonna give you a little bit of details, and then we're gonna get to the eagle eye view. All right, let's get to the details. The details are: these puppies have active noise cancellation, pure monster sound, Bluetooth 6.0, multi-device connection, 70 hours playtime, 3 music modes, and supposed to be comfortable wearing. Okay, guys, these are the Monster Persona 4th generation ANC active noise canceling headphone wireless Bluetooth over the ears headphones. All right, guys, so that's about all the details that you should know. And without further ado, let's get to the eagle eye view. Hey guys, before we get into the eagle eye view, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it, and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. To the eagle eye view, guys, this is how it looks. The box look, again, these are the black version, not the cream or white version. This is how it looks. Everything on the back looks. All right, this is what it can do. So we're gonna go ahead and use this right here for my unboxing knife today. Okay, and see if we can get it in. I don't want to cut myself because I kind of came up the wrong way. Let's see. Box is pretty decent. Let's see how this. Okay. Do we got like this? There we go. All right, nothing in here. We have. Okay, we have that. We have headphones. And here we have the wires. Yes, that's it. We don't have no type of carrying case or nothing in these. We're going to put a cheap bag in here, something. All right, so let's get rid of this. All right, please never get rid of this, because this is all your diagram to how to use it. You don't get rid of that. We have the, we have the 35 millimeter headphone jacks right here. And here we go. We have the booyah. Boom. There we go. All right, so this is how they look. I'll go ahead and take these off. All right, so that's how they look. This is how they came. Right and left. Okay, cool. Fold them up. All right, so now on the actual left, you have microphone. This is most likely the noise canceling mic, so it can cancel out the noise cancellation. You have the mic right here. Another noise cancellation, if I'm not mistaken. Another mic. You have your USB-C. It didn't even come with a wire for the USB-C. I wonder did they repackage this? Normally it comes with some USB in it. All right, the 35 my headphone jack, and we have the on and off, the minus, volume down, volume up, and you have. I love having the fact that you have the ANC button right there. So that's all on the right side, guys. So pretty good. All right, so let me see if it comes with the app. All right, guys. Sorry, it did. It did. I didn't see it. It did come with the short, little, ugly USB A to USB C. I don't know why this thing is not really. There we go. USB C. All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to go ahead and charge it up, and then pair it up, and go from there. All right. All right. Let's go ahead and see how it looks charging up. We're gonna use these little wimpy that came with it. Yeah, look. And there you go. Red light comes on when it's on. All right, so I don't like using this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and use this right here. And we're gonna go ahead and get the USB-C to USB-C. Make sure a little fast charging can be done. And as you can see, it's right there. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna give it a little charge, let it charge up a little bit. Then we're gonna cut it on and pair it up. All right. All right, let's go ahead and turn them on. So you hit that. You see now, you see the ANC, you have the light. So if you hold this ANC down, let's see if the lights will come on. There you go. I like that, guys. I really like the way that looks. That looks nice. So let's go ahead and pair it up. Let's turn that off. Let's go ahead and pair it up. So we're going to hit new devices, see if it pops up. And there you go. It's popped up right there. We hit that. And we're going to hit pair. And there it go. It is paired up. Now, this doesn't have an app. I made sure. So everything you can do is on device, which is good. And the bad thing is if it needs a firmware update, I don't know if you can go to their website and get it, or it is what it is. All right, guys. So you want to hit ANC, you turn ANC on, you hold it, you should see a green light come on. Let's see if we can get a green light come on. Let me see that come on. We don't want to see that. Turn that off. So I guess we hit it. ANC. There we go. It comes on. So you have to kind of hit it one time or hit it until it goes off. That's kind of weird because the ANC and the light are on the same thing. So we got to figure out how to get this. So, okay, you click it once, ANC. Click it again, ANC. Click it once. Try that one more time. All right, so you have to hold it. It went off and came back on. So it might be a delay. Cut it off. See if it goes off. Let's try it one more time. I don't like the ANC button. I think they should have the light button on a different button. Okay, there it goes off. And then to turn off the lights, you have to hold the ANC. So you have to fiddle around with it. But that's how it is, guys. Now, this is going to be very, very fingerprinty. So if you got oily fingers, that's how it's going to be. So we're going to go listen to the ANC, see how the ANC sound. Then come back, listen to some music. And after that, let you know what I think. Yo, we're back to listen to some music of the Monster Persona 4th Edition ANC. We're going to listen to 2 songs, all right, guys? So we're going to go ahead and turn it on. As you can see, pretty flexible. We're going to turn it on. And when you hit the on button, which is the middle button, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons. It's the middle button between the up, the plus and minus, okay? So you hit that. Now, when it comes on, it says, whoop, and then when it connects, it says, like that. I don't know if I'm, 100% correct, but that's how it sounds to me, okay? So just let you know, when you, the up and down, the plus and minus are for volume up, volume down. If you want to go backwards, go back to a song, you have to hold down the volume up, it goes back. If you hold down the volume, decrease the volume, it goes forward. Okay, so you have to hold it, it goes forward, it goes backwards, and you hold it again to go forward. Okay, the perspective buttons. Okay, the plus forward, no, plus backward, sorry, and the minus is forward. To do the volume up and down, you just have to press it one time. It'll go up, press it, again to go down, stuff like that. Okay, so let's get into listen to the music. All right, guys, the first song, it sounds pretty good. It's not the best I heard. It's not the worst. It sounds fair to middling. It sounds average. If you got some, what is it called? Some really cheap, from Amazon, not Amazon, but Five and Below, you'll know the difference. All right, let's go to the second song. All right, guys, even the second song, it sounds good. It's it's fair to middling. It's not nothing special. It's not gonna be. It's not bad. It's fair to middling. So the music sounds okay. And that's all I can say. It sounds okay. The bass is pretty good. The mids and highs are decent, I guess, from what I can hear. And like I said, music, again, sound is subjective. What sounds good to one person might not sound good to another person. All depends on what type of earphones you've been using. If you've been using cheap earphones and you might put these on, it might sound a little bit better than what you're wearing. Okay, guys? So what we're going to do, I'm going to listen to a couple more songs. And then when we do come back and give you my final thoughts on the Monster Persona 4th Generation ANC. All right, guys. See you in a little bit. Yo, yo, yo. I'm back to give the Monster, the Persona 4th Edition Active Noise Cancellation, my final thoughts and giving this puppy a grade. All right, guys. I really do like them. I really do like the fact that they have that light, guys. Turn that sucker on. Like, and then you hit the ANC and hold the ANC on, and the lights do come on. You see that? I do like the light. I think that's a little different conversation starter. So I do like that. Now the fit is pretty good. If you vigorously on a vigorous jog or something, it might start slipping off. But again, if you're running with these, you are gonna get air sweat. It's gonna start sweating. Well, you're gonna get around your ear, around your face, where it goes over your ears. Will start to sweat. Okay, so I'm just letting you know that. So let's get to it. So I don't want to bore you. Finish the design. I give it a 4. And I give it an extra point because it does something a little different. It has the lights on it, which, is a conversation starter. You walk in to a party or something, or you walk in with family and you outside talking or whatever, you got the headphones on. Now, depending on where you wear them at, it could be a beacon of, we're going to jack your stuff. So be careful where you put the lights on at. All right, guys, be careful where you put the lights on at. But I do like the lights, the design of the lights look like it's like an infinite mirror kind of type of thing. So I do like that. So I gave it a 4. Fit, I give it a 4. It's not too tight. It's not too loose. Okay. So I give it a 4. It fits pretty well. As you can see, it fits on my big head. And, if you got the head this big, you're doing good to fit you. So I give it a fit of 4. Music, I give the music a 5.4. It's above average, a little above average on certain songs. And it doesn't over bass you, like really over bass. Now, I wish it would have had an app, but then I can see because my daughters don't use the app. Any headphones I've given them that have an app to it, they never update it. They don't use the app. They prefer just using, the volume up and down on their phone, but they rarely go into the app. My wife don't even use the app, so there's no app. But the music, you can't change the sound profile, so it is what it is. Okay, so I give the music a 3.5. Price. Now this is my dilemma. Normal price for these, and these are not even on Amazon no more. I don't know why. Maybe they sold out, or maybe they're not going to carry the 4th generation no more. I don't know, but I got it, if I'm not mistaken, for like $59.99 or $50. And somehow I can't remember. They normally go for $100. Now, at half price, or just at half price, I give it a 3. When you talk about $59, $50, $69, I think that's a good price for these. When you start talking about $100 and you didn't give me a case, because of this right here can get scratched. You know, whether it's glass or it's just plastic, it's still able to get scratched. So I would rather for them, you know, for $100, put a hard case in there, or a soft case to put them in, so when you put them in your bag, they don't get scratched up. That shouldn't be something I have to buy extra, okay? So at $59 or $50 to maybe $60, I give it a 3. Because it's a 3. I think like the Burbies, to me, sound better than these. The J-Lab Lux sound better than these. And the J-Lab Lux are what? When I bought them, maybe 50, maybe, you know, 50 or 60, I'm guessing. Can't remember. But, you know, but at $100, you know, it's a 0. I wouldn't buy these for $100, guys. I'm just letting you know, I would not buy these for $100, okay? If you can find these for $50 or less, or at $59.99, it's a decent buy. They're a decent headphone, you know, at the $59 price. But when you start getting up to 100, above 100, these ain't worth it. Even with the little lights, these are not worth $100. I'm just letting you know. So at $59.99, $50, I gave it a 3. At $100, I gave it a 0. Okay, ANC is a 3. It's decent. Again, it's fair to Midland. It's gonna cut out some noise. Some noise is gonna come through. Okay, guys. So, excuse me. So, I said all this to say this: if you buy them at $59.99 or $50 or $49 or $45, I give it a C plus, a 3.5. All that comes up to a C plus. If you want to get it at $100, I gave it a 2.9, a D, or a D plus, whatever you want to call it. I think they're worth it at the $50 price range. Even at the $60 price range, they're decent over-the-head headphones. Nothing special about them but the lights. Okay, guys? So that's all I have to say. What do you think about the Monster? Would you buy these, or would you not buy these? What do you think is a better budget headphones that maybe I haven't heard about, so I can see how they sound? All right, guys? Hey, before we go anywhere, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. I want to thank my new, current, and new subscribers for still rocking with the channel. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing journey. Guys, please hit the notification bell, the bell, the icon, the bell, whatever it is on the screen, so you can be notified anytime we drop a new video. All right, guys, you have a good day. Peace.